Welcome back to my channel. So this is another Beauty Big Bang review, and here is our website where you guys can go shop for anything nail art and beauty related, and they have free shipping worldwide. And here my 10% off code you guys can use on your next purchase. Here is their business card where you guys can find them on all their social handles: Instagram at BeautyBigBangs, Facebook BeautyBigBang.com, and their website. And there goes my 10% off code you guys can use on your next purchase. So for the cat eye magnet, it's suggested to use a black gel polish base. So I'm using this black canvas from Finger Paints. I already applied 2 layers of the black gel and already cured it, so now it's time to apply the powder. I am using 5C. So in this little package comes an eyeshadow applicator and of course the powder itself, and it has the number at the bottom too in case you forget which one it is, and this one is number 5. So like every new packaging, it comes with a protective seal. All you do is break it apart, and there goes the pigment powder. Here is a closer look at the pigment powder. It does look dark, but the finished results will have the teal color. And this is the magnet I'm going to be using, which is the cat eyes effect. So I'm going to be applying a gel top coat, which is no wipe, but I believe you could use whichever one you want as long as you do not cure it. So once you apply the top coat, you get your pigment powder, and then you start sprinkling it on top of the nail. Make sure you cover like a good 70 to 80% of the nail with the pigment powder. As you can see, it does get very messy, so make sure you have like a napkin protecting your desk area. So once you're done with that, you get a brush and then you start sweeping over the pigment, like brushing it on, covering the whole nail. If you're using the same top coat brush, I suggest you clean it before you contaminate it in the bottle. So that is how it looks. And now you get your magnet and you put it on top of the nail for like 15 seconds, and there goes your cat eye design if you're using the cat eye one. And once you get the desired design you want of the magnet, you pop it into the LED lamp. And that is all for this video. If you guys are interested in this pigment powder, I will leave a link down below. They do have many different colors. The one I did review for you guys is number 5. See you guys in the next one. Bye.